Hello and very warm welcome to this edition of the Mutual Fund. My name is Vandita Shivla and I'm here to take up your queries. Well, I haven't posted a video since a long time, and the reason is that I've been really busy. I've been resolving queries either via calls, via LinkedIn, via emails. So that's the route I'm taking right now. But there was this interesting question that I've received from many investors, that which liquid fund they should be investing in right now. And they've asked me to give certain names, and this question has been asked by a lot of investors, so I thought that why not to make a video on that, a short video on that. So first thing is that the beauty of mutual fund comes here. They have plethora of options. You have for every investor to cater their needs, there is one category. So for investors who do not want to park money for a long time, liquid funds is a perfect option, because the tenor is up to 91 days, and you can just park your money up to 1 year as well, and you can benefit from parking your money over there. Right now, I would say that FDs are not a very attractive option because of the falling interest rate scenario. We all know that government they have decreased the interest rate, the repo rate, what's happening on that front, and FDs are linked to repo rate. So definitely the rates are falling and FDs are not very attractive options for most of the investors. So in that scenario, I know there is a little risk involved even when you talk about liquid funds, but I think it's much lesser compared to keeping it for a long time. And especially, we all have needs. There are emergency needs, contingency needs. You need money, and especially during this uncertain time, you might need money in the next 6 months or in the next 3 months, 1 week, anytime. You don't know about the job scenario. So what does one do in that case? I would not say that the interest rates that you get on liquid funds are as attractive as you get in equity funds or hybrid funds or other kind of categories. But I would still say that the returns are decent when you compare it with FD, right? And the important part is that if you understand which liquid funds you are parking your money in, where you are parking your money, then I think it's safe as well. I would like to say that. So what are the parameters that one should look at while they invest in liquid funds? Number one, look at the returns and the past track record of that particular fund, whichever fund you are planning to invest in, right? That's number one. Number two is portfolio and maturity. Look at the portfolio. What are the papers that they are investing in, right? All the liquid funds are investing in papers. Look at the ratings of those papers. They must be AAA, right? For better, because you don't want that kind of credit risk here, right? In order to avoid that, look at that thing. It's very, very important. Look at the things that when is it getting matured. That's also a very, very important parameter when you look at liquid funds, right? Number three is liquidity and the size of the fund. What is the AUM that of that particular fund when you are investing in that? The larger the AUM, better it is. Size of fund is a very, very important parameter. It should be big enough, right? That's very important, because the greater the size, more the liquidity, right? The less chances of defaults in that case. So that's very important. Then I would say again, performance ratings by rating agency. There are a lot of rating agencies. You have CRISIL, you have ICRA, you have CARE. Just look at the ratings. Look at various rating agencies, how they've rated that particular fund. That's a very important thing. And looking at that, I've done my own calculations, and a lot of people are also saying that. So I think there are 4 funds that are really doing quite well at right now. I think in case they've given reasonable returns, I won't say very attractive returns, but reasonable returns compared to other liquid funds. So I think number one is Nippon India Liquid Fund. You can look for that one. It's a good liquid fund. You can look for Aditya Birla Sun Life Liquid Fund. Why I'm recommending these funds is not because I have a tie-up with them or something like that. No, not at all. It's completely, I have, as on 20th May, how they have performed. and what are the returns they have generated. On the basis of that, I'm recommending that. Nothing like I have a tie-up or something like that. And you know, if you look at the size of the fund, it is above, the AUM is above 10,000 crore. So I think it's much safer to invest in these funds. But right now, safety is much important than returns. So you need to prioritize, right? So I think right now it's important to prioritize. Then I think Tata Liquid Fund is also doing quite well compared to other funds. And the fourth I would recommend is Axis Liquid Funds. You could invest in any one of these liquid funds or two of these funds depending upon your appetite. But if you have certain idle cash left, I think it's better to invest in a liquid fund, because at least you can generate returns, right? I know that people are worried, what if I lose my money, etc. But I would say that if you want to take little risk, then liquid funds is a great option, and you should look for that. And on that note, just stay safe, wear mask, and I know it's not a very great time, because you are just stuck up at home. You know, everyone is stuck up at home, but all I would say is stay safe, keep praying, and just stay positive, because positivity is very important. Do not forget to exercise as well, because that will keep your brain active. And on that note, thank you so much for listening to me. All the very best with your investments.